Hi guys, have you ever asked yourself why these agencies don't want to give a free job? Have you ever asked yourself why nobody wants to give free job in the United Arab Emirates? Follow me to this end of this video. When I analyze, I put out my own simple opinion. You can also put down your opinion at the comment section without insult. We are all entitled to our own personal opinion. So kindly like this video and let's go to the real deal. Hey yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Chris Samilo. Welcome back to a brand new episode of Life in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Today we are going to be talking about another sensitive topic, and that I might get an insulted by that, but that one no wahala. So what am I going to ask you is like a question. Why nobody wants to give a free job in the United Arab Emirates? Why these agencies or these agents, they don't want to offer the job for free or why nobody at all, if anybody have a job, they want to give it out and they want exchange of money? Why is that? Now, in my own personal opinion, these are the reasons which I list out that might be the cause of this thing, because me personally, I have experienced such thing. Now, I would like to let you know, guys, that when somebody gets free thing, like they have something that is free, they don't actually value that free something. They prefer the one they paid money on. That is the one they paid for. Example, I know a lot of people that we are giving job for free, that got the job for free. They were thinking that it is that easy to get the job in UAE. That is why they start misbehaving in their company. A lot of people that are misbehaving in their company today got their job without stress. I have looked around and I have confirmed it. Inside the 100% of people that is causing trouble in their company today, 99.9% got the job without stress. And that is why they feel like that, like somebody came into the UAE for the first time, right? Now they didn't stress themselves and they just got the job. They will actually feel like, oh, it is that easy to get job in UAE. After all, if I lost this one, I will get the job as just like I got this one. You know, they haven't experienced the hard time of looking for job in UAE. That is why they don't take care of their job. I have known somebody that because of him, his company stopped recruiting African, because number one, he did not stress, he did not get any stress getting a job in the United Arab Emirates. There is no stress at all, you know. Now when you tell him, he will tell you that there is job outside, if I just go outside, blah blah blah, I go get job, I go do this, I'll do this. At the end, as I'm talking to you now, that guy is in Nigeria. When I'm telling somebody something, I'm saying this as a human being. I'm just saying it's like a normal human being. But at the end, when that thing that I'm telling you happened, it will look like a prophecy. I know a lot of people that I've talked to about the condition they should be in their company, but they feel like say now now just talk, where would they discuss? At the end they will throw it to the carpet. So when the thing that I explained to them start happening, it will happen like a prophet, like somebody prophesied to them that is coming to pass. But it's not prophet, it is something I have been in. So if somebody that has spent years in UAE have go through the process, I did not just come to UAE and become what I am. I start from process, from ordinary labor, cleaning and other things. I have through so many process. Now, if you go through that process, anybody that came through you, that came new, you will actually let them know what you have gone through, for them to maybe you made a mistake, you will tell them not to make that same mistake that you made. That is the reason why this channel is here. Now, I'm going to give you the reason. The main topic of today is the reason why most agencies are not giving out job for free. Number one, on seriousness. Quote me anywhere and check it anywhere. If you're an agent watching me, I want you to comment below. Anybody that you are giving job free or less price, the person will never be serious. Will never be serious with I know so many people that they didn't even meet me. I meet them because when I see somebody that is stranded, I know that you are stranded. I've been in that situation before. Now I meet you and say, what you happy? They find job? Yes, I find job. Okay, it be like say I get this contact. Okay, call this guy so time, and he will connect you. Maybe I will call the person. Okay, do you have any job for hand? Okay, I have so job. Okay, take the guy number. You call him, then both of you will chat. Then that is it. I'm off it. Then later on, the guy that I refer you to, were telling me that you are not serious. Like he give you so time to call him, you know, and because you have an appointment, right? And for you to meet up the appointment, you need to meet up with time. So if somebody give you a time to call him and you need that thing desperately, why don't you wait for that? Even call before, a minute before that time. But on seriousness, that is just on seriousness. Number two thing on my list is ungratefulness. A lot of people that get job for free in this UAE are totally ungrateful. Quote me anywhere. Most of you will not like what I'm saying, no? But I'm not saying it for you to like or for you to don't like. I just state the fact as it is. You get? I just state it as it is. I'm not looking for love. You get? The ones that love me genuinely, I know them. I know my friends, and my friends knows me. You get? So, ladies and gentlemen, what am I trying to say? Most of people that got job for free are totally ungrateful. They complain from heaven to earth. Even you know, they're just being ungrateful for nothing. You know. Number three on my list is no appreciation. They can never appreciate you. It's linked with ungratefulness. You will give somebody job. You give somebody link to job. It did not give you. You did not pay the person a dime. The person reach the job, start working, and cannot call you, say thank you. I thank you for helping me. There is somebody. I don't want to even talk about my own self. Mazio Joto is a YouTuber. He was telling me, I think he stated on his channel that he gave somebody job in his former company without taking money. Common for the person to call him, hey, my brother, I don't get the job, or thank you for your help or whatever. It does not take you anything. You remain silent. That is why anybody don't want to give out job for free, because it is better for the person to take money than don't even appreciate the person because he has taken money. No problem. But what is the essence of giving you free job without you appreciating him, without you giving him being grateful? What is the essence? So that is number three. Number four, it makes them believe that getting job is free. Like I just said before, anybody where they work for a company that just maybe arrived today, maybe by next week or within 1 week, he just got a job magically or miraculously, he would think that it's just like that. You know, they would think that it's just like that, and they would think that it's their power. I've been in that situation before. You know, they think that once they got job without spending, without going through the stress, without going through hot sun, you know, feeling the heat that comes with the UAE, with the UAE sun, feeling the temperature, they can never believe that getting job in UAE is not an easy task. It takes God's grace and your effort. You know, they think that getting job for UAE is free, and that is why they keep misbehaving in their company, because they feel like, if I lose this one, I go get this one the way I get the other one, without knowing that it is just a miracle that happened at that particular time. So number 5, they won't take care of their job. Just the same way I just explained it. Anybody that did not pay in getting a job, in 99.9% inside 100% are the ones causing problem, because they got the job for free. They did not pay money. So after all, if they lose the job, they did not lose anything. But trust me, anybody that paid money to get this job, at least you will remember that, okay, I paid that agent 1,000, or I paid that agent 500, or if I lose this job now, meaning I lose both sides, so let me try to at least recover the one I lost. They would think like that. But if the job is not free, make that they go job, after all, no pay money. That is the reality. Whether you like it or not, is the reality. Then number 6, they might bring bad name to you. You that brought the person to that company, your name is damaged, because number 1, you did not take money. The person did not take money. And now the person cannot bring another person to that company, because the company will feel like the person you brought for me is arrogant, is this, is that, is all this one. So I don't want you to bring anybody for me. You have totally killed business for the person and spoiled the person's name. That is the reason. So if anybody is taking money, you will know that at least if you want to spoil my name, you don't pay for that. You get my own opinion. Number 7, which is the last but not the least, they will make you regret it. Simple. Anybody, trust me, in 100% of agency that gave job for free, 70% are regretting it right now. 99%, 100% of agencies or people that gave somebody job for free, 70% is regretting it. Because of what? Because of they did not take that money from you, and you cannot give them that accolade that they actually helped you. You cannot give them that you cannot be grateful to them. You cannot give them that you just don't care about them because you have gotten the job. You feel like when somebody don't get bread, you don't feel like saying I didn't get the world. What about those people where the person will get the bakery, as in the person where they produce the bread? You see, in this life, okay, even if the person where they produce the bread, the person where get the bakery, feel like saying I didn't on top. What about the company where they do the flour, where they take the baked bread? You see, this life can never be equal. As the thing say you big, that's so another person big past you. That is why I normally tell everybody, UAE, nobody is bigger than anybody. And they say it, I'm saying it every single day. In UAE, if you see me tomorrow, I'm driving car, I'm not bigger than you. The only thing that makes us difference is that you don't have a license to drive a car. Because if you have a license to get a car in UAE, it's as easy as ABC. So what is the difference? Waiting anybody go to mall and buy. You can that's why you will see a very beautiful mall. You will see all these people that is working construction, where that their construction book, their motor go drop them, boo. They will rush go into that market. That's the same market that the ones that are driving Range Rover, they will still go there and buy something, because everything seems equal. So where is the pride taking you to? I see some people. A lot of people in this UAE, Africans, I know won't mention their nationality, that they will rent a car. Me, even before I got the car, I done the rent car. You get? So once I see a car that is rented, I know. And these guys, they will just rent a car of maybe 50, 90 dirham, 95 dirham. Even when I was renting it, if I see the car that is rented, I know. But when these guys drop with the car, they will feel like they are on top of the world. They will keep their shoulder like this, they walk up. Little thing you have, you want to feel like say you'll be on top. In this UAE, nobody is bigger than anybody. Understand? That is why sometimes when I just see most African guys. I will just do it first. My name is Chris Samilo.